Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1. For the rest of the month of August, all Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $4,900 in savings on this specific vehicle. This ZL1 comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, your custom black Chevy decals, 20 by 11 inch aluminum wheels in the back, and 20 by 10 inch aluminum wheels in the front. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system with custom ZL1 Recaro seats. Now we also do have a sunroof, and when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seating, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.